This is the 2024 BMW i5 M60 xDrive, BMW's answer to the Tesla Model S and Lucid Pure RW. We're testing its 592 horsepower, breaking down its polarizing grille, and revealing if its 300-mile range lives up to the hype. From launch control to charging speed, this is the most detailed BMW i5 review on YouTube. Guaranteed. Chapter 1. Exterior design and grille debate. Let's start with the BMW i5 design, a love it or hate it moment. That massive BMW i5 grille is now illuminated, glowing like a sci-fi robot face. Purists are split. Is it bold innovation or a step too far? Compared to the minimalist Lucid Pure RWD, the i5 screams aggression. But here's the genius. The grille isn't just for show. It's packed with sensors for BMW's Level 2+ autonomous driving and active aerodynamics. The G60 platform brings a longer wheelbase, plus 2.4 inches via the Gas 5 series for sharper handling, while the BMW i5 Touring, coming late 2024, promises wagon practicality. Love the details? The flush door handles reduce drag, and the laser taillights project a 3D effect at night. But let's be real, the grille will dominate conversations. Social media, poll cutaway, split-screen mock-up of Instagram comments. Grille EOR versus BMW lost its mind. Host, grinning. BMW's betting on boldness. For $90K, would you rock this look? Let me know below. Chapter 2. Interior luxury and tech. 6 Atwat. Step into the BMW i5 interior, and it's a masterclass in futuristic luxury. The M60 trim gets Veganza vegan leather, saving 85% CO2 versus cowhide, with diamond stitching, real crystal for the iDrive knob, and a 14.9-inch curved touchscreen running BMW OS 8.5. But the star, the augmented reality head-up display, it projects turn arrows onto the road like a video game. Compare this to the Mercedes EQE, which has a bigger hyperscreen but feels colder. The i5's interaction bar, ambient lighting that reacts to drive modes, adds theater. Need space? Rear legroom's up 1.2 inches, and the 17-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system delivers Dolby Atmos concerts. Chapter 3. Performance and Launch Control Test. Time to unleash the BMW i5 M60 xDrive. Dual motors deliver 590 luft of torque, enough to hit 0-60 m in 3.7 seconds, faster than the Lucid Pure RWD's force. Engage launch control, and the car squats like a cat, ready to pounce. But here's the shocker. The M60 isn't just a straight-line hero. With rear axle steering and adaptive air suspension, it carves corners like a sedan half its size. Switch to sport mode and the synthetic engine noise, yes, it's fake, pipes through the speakers. Cheesy. Maybe. Fun? Absolutely. The Model S is quicker, but the i5's luxury and handling balance make it the smarter daily driver. Chapter 4. Range, charging, and real-world test. BMW claims 295 miles for the i5 eDrive 40 and 270 miles for the M60. Our real-world test? We squeezed 305 miles in eco mode, 60 mph AVG, and 250 miles driving like we stole it. Charging. The BMW i5 peaks at 205 kW, hitting 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. The Lucid Pure charges faster, 300+ kilowatts. But BMW's xDrive system dominates in rain or snow. One-pedal driving adds 5-7% range in traffic. Perfect for city commutes. Chapter 5. The verdict versus Lucid, Tesla, and EQE. So who wins? The BMW i5 M60 is a tech-loaded luxury rocket, but the Lucid Pure RWD offers more range for $20K less. The Tesla Model Air, faster, but its interior feels last-gen. If you crave badge prestige, cutting-edge toys, and four-season capability, the i5 shines. But if range anxiety haunts you, wait for the i5 Touring with even more space. Final poll cutaway. Which would you buy? BMW i5, Lucid Pure, Tesla Model S. Smash like if you're Team BM, subscribe for more EV battles, and comment your pick. Full BMW i5 price specs and M60 xDrive India details are below. Until next time, stay charged!